My name is Susan Gonzalez, and I'm an official court reporter here at Kern County Superior Court. A court reporter is the guardian of the record. We take down all the proceedings that happen inside a courtroom. In that position, I work in a felony trial courtroom, so we hear felony trials, and I also produce transcripts when requested by attorneys, judges, and the appellate courts.
My name is Teresa Verdugo. I'm a court reporter assigned to the North Division for Kern County Superior Courts. The job of a court reporter is very important because we need to preserve the record. Every defendant, every litigant needs to have access to their record and know what happened in their case and be able to reference their case.
My name's Christina Taylor. I'm an official court reporter for Kern County Superior Court. So whereas most court reporters use the stenography machine and type into that to produce a transcript, I use voice recognition software. I speak into a speech silencer mask, and what I say goes into the software and produces a transcript. Court reporter's job is important because we ensure that an accurate record is kept of the proceedings that happen during a trial, and that record is used to ensure that there is a fair administration of justice.
We write in a language called theory on our stenograph machine, which then, through computer-aided software, gets translated into our laptop, which then the judge sees on his laptop live.
Working for Kern County, it's very nice because we do have the regional courts, so regardless of where you live in the county, you have a court near to you. So for me, having started it in downtown in family law, and then as soon as there is an opportunity to transfer to Shafter, which is where I live, that just fit perfectly, and that's where I've been since.
The benefits of the court system are amazing, great medical benefits, the time off, you know that you're gonna have your weekends off, you have your holidays off, and you have a very dedicated work schedule. You know what your hours are every day, you know when your day is gonna start, you know when your day is gonna end. I think that's a huge benefit of working in the court system.
In addition to your salary, you can make additional income by producing transcripts for appellate purposes.
I recommend that people apply to work here in the Kern County Superior Court because they have a great training program for the court reporters. They also have a great support staff to work with, and it's just all around a great place to work.
Being a court reporter is very fulfilling because I know I'm filling a role that is needed, and many people don't know that they need it until they need it, but we know how important it is.
My name is Stacy Wilson, and I am a Court Services Specialist for the Criminal Misdemeanor Division. My job as a Court Services Specialist, I process expungement orders, I help with new case setup where I will set up cases, I process proofs of compliance for work release program, probation terms, as well as the restitution. Our job is important because we do everything that happens on the back end of what happens in court. So for example, like making sure we do the filings properly, we review documents, and we also make sure that people are compliant with their tasks that they need to do. I really enjoy my job because I really enjoy working with my coworkers. I really enjoy the work that I do, and I like coming into work every day and doing the best that I can.
My name is Martha, and I'm a judicial courtroom assistant. I am in charge of taking the minutes for hearings, scheduling any future hearings, and coordinating with other departments. This job is important because we're in charge of all of the little details in the background, so we're constantly communicating with other departments, coordinating future hearings, coordinating with attorneys, other assistants, making sure everything runs smoothly. I like the schedule. It's not overly complicated. You don't need an advanced degree, and you still get to be part of the legal system and be in a courtroom. If you are someone that's really good at multitasking and have a great attention to detail, I would recommend this job for you.
Hi, I'm Eliezer Salazar, and I am a state-certified Spanish court interpreter. So what an interpreter does is we are the voice of those who do not speak English that come to the courtroom. And so we are able to help them understand in their own language what is being said, and also to communicate what they would like to say back to the parties in the courtroom. As an interpreter, I speak into a microphone, and the person I'm interpreting for can hear via headphones what I am interpreting for them. At the end of the day, I get to go home knowing that I played a key role in providing equal and fair treatment under the law and access to the court system to those that are unable to communicate in the English language. I love the benefits for working here in the Kern County Superior Court. Not only do we get to go home at 5 p.m. and be able to go back to our families, but we also get weekends and holidays. We also get a comprehensive benefits package, which covers not only myself, but my family as well. And that is very important to me.
What I enjoy about Bakersfield is it is a big city. There's still plenty of things to do on the weekends, yet it has a small town feel where you know your neighbors and you'll see people you went to school with in the community.
What I really like about the community here is everyone that I've met has been nice and welcoming and helpful, and you don't really see that in a lot of other communities.
You're close to the beach, you're close to LA, you're close to the mountains, depending on where you want to go, you're a couple hours or less away.
This is a great career and I recommend it to anyone. I genuinely love coming to work here.